Have you ever dreamed of driving a truck that feels like a five-star hotel suite? Well, buckle up, because today we're taking you inside a $6 million Peterbilt motorhome that completely redefines what luxury on wheels means. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving mansion. Built on one of the most iconic American truck platforms, the Peterbilt, this masterpiece blends raw power with jaw-dropping elegance. And trust me, once you step inside, you'll forget you're even in a vehicle. Let's start with the basics. Underneath all that polished metal and chrome sits a Peterbilt 579 chassis, a truck that's famous for long-haul endurance and reliability. It's powered by a 15-liter Cummins X15 engine, pushing out around 600 horsepower and over 2,000 pound-feet of torque. That means it can tow, climb, and cruise across the country effortlessly. But what really makes this beast special is what's been built on top of it. Instead of a simple sleeper cab, the builders transformed it into a luxury motorhome with a kind of comfort that can rival the best hotel suites in Vegas. Open the door, and the first thing that hits you is a silence. Despite being built on a semi-truck frame, the cabin is whisper quiet, thanks to heavy sound insulation and premium materials everywhere. The floor? Genuine hardwood. The walls? Hand-finished with soft-touch leather and wood trim. Even the lighting feels expensive, with adjustable LED mood strips that give off a warm, relaxing glow. You're immediately greeted by a spacious living area that looks like it belongs in a luxury apartment, not a truck. There's a full-size leather sofa, a high-end entertainment system, and panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. And when the slide-outs extend, the space nearly doubles, turning the cabin into an open lounge you can actually walk around in. And when the slide-outs extend, the space nearly doubles, turning the cabin into an open lounge you can actually walk around in. Now, most RV kitchens feel cramped or basic. Not here. This Peterbilt's kitchen is fully equipped with convection oven, induction cooktop, microwave, fridge with a freezer, and even a dishwasher. Yes, a dishwasher in a truck. The counters are solid surface stone, and there's plenty of cabinet space for storage. You can easily prepare a full meal here, whether you're parked at a luxury RV resort or overlooking the Grand Canyon. Moving toward the back, you'll find the master bedroom, and this is where the five-star hotel part really kicks in. There's a king-size bed with a premium mattress, surrounded by high-gloss cabinetry and LED accent lighting. You get built-in nightstands, reading lights, and even a control panel at your fingertips to adjust lighting, temperature, or blinds, all without getting up. There's also a massive flat-screen TV mounted opposite the bed, turning the room into your private mini-theater. And then, the bathroom. It's not your typical cramped RV shower. This one comes with a full-size glass shower enclosure, porcelain toilet, and a vanity sink with marble-like finishes. The shower even features a rainfall shower head, giving you that luxury spa vibe right inside your rolling home. Hot water? No worries. The system comes with a continuous hot water heater. You could shower for hours if you wanted to. Up front, the driver's cockpit keeps that luxury theme alive. It's classic Peterbilt, but customized with leather seats that are fully heated, cooled, and massaging. Every switch, dial, and gauge feels premium. You also get a full digital display, advanced navigation, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this 40-foot powerhouse surprisingly easy. And with air-ride suspension, the ride is smooth, almost limousine-like, even on rough highways. This motorhome isn't just about looks. It's loaded with smart features, solar panels, massive battery banks, inverter systems, and a quiet diesel generator. You could live completely off-grid for days without missing a beat. Wi-Fi, satellite TV, climate control, everything can be managed from a touchscreen or your smartphone. It's not just a motorhome, it's a smart home on wheels. Now, here's where jaws usually drop. The cost of this masterpiece? Around $6 million, depending on customization. That's more than most people's dream homes. But for those who can afford it, it's a dream come true. Only a handful of these rigs are built each year, making them incredibly rare. Each one is handcrafted, personalized down to the stitching, and built to last a lifetime. You might be wondering, who actually buys something like this? Well, it's not just truckers. Many buyers are pro athletes, touring musicians, or business executives who want the freedom to travel without sacrificing luxury. Some even use them as mobile offices or homes while they tour the country. And honestly, once you see the craftsmanship and comfort, it's easy to understand why. So, is the $6 million Peterbilt Motorhome over the top? Absolutely. But that's what makes it amazing. It's not about practicality, it's about the experience. The freedom to explore America's open roads with the comfort of a luxury suite. It's about power, presence, and prestige, all rolled into one incredible machine. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just a vehicle. It's a statement, a symbol of what's possible when American engineering meets pure imagination. And that's why the $6 million Peterbilt Motorhome isn't just a truck. It's a 5-star hotel on wheels.